Today we are talking about Lead Scrape, a tool that helps you to extract targeting leads with accuracy. If you want to grow your business, reach the right audience, or find potential clients quickly, Lead Scrape make the whole process simple. It saves you hours of manual work by giving you the data you need in just a few clicks. And with the lifetime deal on AppSumo, you get the full access without paying monthly fees. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find the best tools and deals that saves you time and money. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the description for the discounted offer link. You don't need to use any code because the discount will be applied automatically when you use the link from the description. Now let's talk about the lead scrape more and why it is helpful. Finding targeted leads manually is time consuming. You have to search for the websites, directories, and social media profiles and then verify the contact information. Lead Scrape automates all of this process. You can filter jobs by location, industry, and the company size or job title, and the tool gives you accurate emails and the contact details instantly. Accuracy is one of the biggest advantages of Lead Scrape. Many lead generation tools give you incomplete or outdated information, but this tool ensures the data is verified. This is very important if you want to run email campaigns, outreach the messages, or sales calls, because accurate leads increase your chances of success. The platform is very simple to use. You don't need any technical skill. Just type the type of leads you want and you set your filter and let the tool extract the data. You can also export the leads into spreadsheets or other formats, which makes it easy to use with your CRM or email marketing software. So Lead Scrape is useful for freelancers, small business owners, agencies, and anyone who needs to grow their network or find clients fast. You can spend less time to searching and more time to connecting with potential clients or customers. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal on AppSumo. Normally, lead generation tools charge monthly and cost can be high if you need more leads. But with the lifetime deal on AppSumo, you pay once and you get the unlimited access based on your plan. This makes it very affordable for the long-term business growth and consistent lead generation. If you want a fast, accurate, and easy way to extract targeted leads and grow your business, then Lead Scrape is a strong choice. It saves time, reduces the errors, and give you the verified data to focus on outreach and closing deals. So if you want to grab the lifetime deal on AppSumo, you can check the link from the description, and when you use the link from the description, the discount is applied automatically, so you don't need to use any coupon code. Thank you so much for watching this video. This was Easy Access Tech channel, which help you to find simple tools for your business. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the deal link. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.